Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dias Paul, and thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you are a new viewer, then go to my channel, watch the videos. And if you're liking these videos and if these are helping you, then you want to stay in this particular family, then go hit this red color subscribe button like this, and also hit that bell icon so that you get notifications whenever I upload a video. For the ones who want additional services or training, or if you want personal training directly from me, then you can ask the details from my customer care team. WhatsApp them on 7892652481. They work from Monday to Saturday from morning 11 to 8:30. Sometimes they may stretch, but yeah, this is a regular time, so always contact them at during that time. And also you can visit my website smarttrader.co for more details. For the ones who wants to open an account through me, you can go and click the link in the video description, that is Zerodha or Upstox Demat account. So if you open Zerodha or Upstox Demat account, then you will be part of my learning Telegram channel, where I'll be sharing certain things and advices. Whenever I get time, I will be sharing certain things so that you can keep learning. It's only for learning purpose only. So if you're interested in lifetime learning and bonding, then you can join my Telegram group. So without wasting time, let's start off with today's topic. So today we are going to start a new topic, that is nothing but stocks on talk. This is a new episode, which series of episodes which we are going to start, where we will be talking about the stocks on which a lot of research firms are currently investigating today, and they have given such ratings of buy, hold, exit. So we will try to collate all that information and for certain particular stocks, and we will choose few stocks, and we will talk about that what are the targets given by different research firms who are expert in researching with their all details. So we will be getting all the summary together so that our family members, Smart Trader family members, who are a short-term investor or who have already invested in such stocks, will get an idea whether they should hold, exit, or up to where they can book their profits. So all this is for educational purpose only, okay? And if you are looking to invest, kindly talk to your investment advisor before taking any investment decision. So this is just for learning purpose only. So on a daily basis, when we get to know a lot of about different stocks, we get a open perspective about it, so that we research more about it. For the people who wants more in detail about such research, we can go to the respective website of those companies and then look into the research reports, which will be 4-5 pages from different companies. So if you're more interested, then you can definitely go and talk, but here we will talk about the summary considering the time. So the first stock of our stocks on talk would be Axis Bank. So Axis Bank is the first stock which we are going to discuss on stocks on talk. This is the first episode and this is the first stock. So five research firms have already given a buy rating for this particular stock today. So on 26th of April, five research firms have given buy rating. So these research firms will have certified research analysts who will sit and research the fundamental analysis, the technical analysis, and everything they take into consideration, and they come up with certain targets or decisions. So the complete reports of these research firms will be there in their website. You can directly go there and read if you want to know in depth why do they feel they have given a buy rating, hold rating, and how they have given the target. If you want to know, then you can go to their respective website. So this is our first video. That's the reason I'm trying to explain in detail what is what. So anyways, Axis Bank, on Axis Bank, HDFC Securities have a buy rating of target of 896, and Nalanda Securities have a buy rating of 882. Prabhudas Leeladhar buy rating of 837, and Dolat Capital buy rating of 840. Sharekhan has a buy rating of 900. So different people have different rating. Now if you have to decide which one to invest, whom to believe, so normally what I normally do is I take average of all this. So average Smart Trader calculator, as per Smart Trader calculator, I just named this as Smart Trader calculator. It is small and cute, so I've just used this, named this as Smart Trader calculator. I've done nothing. I've just taken the 5 total and divided it by 5. So we normally take the average of every firm. So overall average of Smart Trader calculator is 871. So 871 is the average. So looking at the chart of Axis Bank, I will just open the chart of 1-day chart of Axis Bank. So just to see how the prices are moving. So the current price is how much? 757. So our average value from our smart calculator is 871. So let me just draw a line. Uh, Horizontal line. Okay, this will be fine. So 871 somewhere around. Okay, I'm not getting it right. So anyways, fine. So somewhere around here, around 871 is the target which we have got by the average. Few members are looking at 900, few are looking below that 850, but on an average we got an average of 871 is the target. And this is going to be a short term target. This is not a long term target. This is a short term target which they are looking in few weeks. When I say few weeks, let it be 2-3 weeks. Okay, so on a 2-3 weeks, almost a month it will take. So during that, this is the targets which they are looking to achieve. Short term targets, maybe it will take 1 month or 2 months also, but these are the short term targets which they have calculated. And we have taken an average of all the research firms who have already done their hard earned research. So after those researches, we have taken the summary of that, and we have taken an average of 871 for Axis Bank. So now, should you invest on this or not? As I always tell, do not invest your hard earned money and lose your hard earned money. Kindly talk to your investment advisor before investing. But as a smart trader family, we always try to bring shortcuts. We try to think what we can do. So on this particular thing, we got an average of 871. So now doesn't mean I have to believe them 100%. So I can always go with 50%. At least I can book somewhere half or quarter. Depends upon you how much profit you are happy with, 5%, 10%. Or if you are expecting it is going to go 871, considering 5 people have given buy on this, then I would consider the halfway also, around 815 also. I can book my profits and exit. I will not directly believe 100% of 871. So it depends upon you whether you want to book the quarter way or the halfway or 75% of this target. It's up to you. This is the average which we calculated from all. But always talk to your investment advisor before investing. But normally I try to take advantage halfway only. Within halfway I try to book my profit. Rest, if it will go up or not, I don't care, but my bookings will be between half. That is my way. Normally I share what I do. I'm just sharing you. Yes, it will involve risk, but just that I am taking a chance with all the investment advisors or the research firms reports. Based on that, I will try to take half of it. So that is the idea normally we do, but this is just for your learning purpose. You can observe this for 3-4 months so that we get an idea how these things work. If these are working well and good, if not, let's change the stock. So now the second stock would be Maruti Suzuki. On Maruti Suzuki today, on 26th April, we have four research firms giving ratings. So that is Arihant Capital has given a hold rating, not a buy rating, hold rating. They're saying hold it because they have already given a buy rating, I guess. So they are asking to hold it for a short-term target of 7352. And Nalanda Securities have a buy rating of 7217. LKP Research has a buy rating of 7808, which is way high, and Sharekhan has a hold rating of 7150. Now, if you see what is the average is coming around 7382. So, looking at the charts, let me just draw a horizontal line 7382, horizontal line on 7382. Somewhere here. Okay, so currently if you see this is the average which we found out. So currently the stock is at 6839, and they are asking to hold for a target of so and so. But we have, as per smart trader average calculator average, we have got 7382. So we have put average somewhere here. So they are expecting this stock is gonna go back and hit this particular line. Okay, yeah, in this case it is very close. I mean, not so far like how we saw in Axis Bank, but in this case it is very close. So therefore normally we can wait for 100% also in this particular chances. If you see on a day basis, super trend red has been started. We have to wait for the next green. By the time the candles go back to the green super trend, I think the target would have been achieved for this. So again, before investing, check with your investment advisor. These are just for your learning purpose only, and these are information given by these research firms. So go to their website and then check all the information and then decide whether you want to invest in them or not, or if you want to take chances. So these are short term trades, these are not long term, these are short term, mainly for positional traders only. So hope these information helped a lot of short-term traders and investors. So if you are holding this particular stocks, then you know what are the average 871 and 7382 are the average targets based on the information given by these research firms, and these research firms are certified members, and their complete details will be in their respective website. You can search on Google. So if you want in depth, then you can go check there for learning purpose, and for investment decision you can go and check in depth of these reports to understand it better. I hope this type of educational video is helping you guys. We will be coming out with a lot of innovative ways of teaching. I'm also planning for making video based learning, awareness based videos, where normally people make vines, people make stories based on movies, songs, dance. So nobody is doing promoting investments and also awareness in investment. A lot of beginners are making losses, how to stop them. So I'm planning to make small short movies, like ads, short movies, which will bring awareness to a lot of investors. So people, in terms of entertainment, they will watch such videos, but end of the session they will understand that it is a message to a lot of people about investment and how to avoid losses and all that. So let's see how it goes on. I just need your support on that. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please do share this video with all your friends, and keep liking this video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.